The best and simplest approach to start earning as a freelancer is to do data entry and copy-paste work. There is no requirement for technical expertise or hard skills. To get started, you'll need a computer or an internet connection. You'll also need a fast typing speed. Data entry is a process that involves employing devices such as a keyboard, scanner, disk, and voice to turn any hard copy of data into a soft copy. In simple terms, it is the process of entering data or information into a computer. The duties that are accomplished by online freelancers or any employee are known as data entry jobs or typing jobs. They enter data into computers using forms, sheets, and other non-electronic data sources. Because of the great demand for data entry clerks, data entry is a never-ending work. Every small and large business nowadays requires a data entry operator or clerk. You can easily find work both offline and online. So, where do you go online to look for these data entry and copy-paste jobs? Don't worry, I've already researched through hundreds of websites to identify the best, most legitimate, and highest-paying data entry and copy-paste jobs. 1. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK-based startup that provides an internet platform that allows freelancers to work from home or anywhere in the world. People Per Hour is also the greatest website for freelancing. You can use peopleperhour.com as an alternative to Upwork. Upwork is currently compensated. Then we'll need a website that's free to apply and allows us to construct a free profile and portfolio. And post your resume for free. 2. Guru.com. Guru.com is one of the top 10 freelancer platforms, offering a one-stop shop for both employers and freelancers. The employer can publish a job with her precise budget and requirements, and freelancers can apply to work on the project. The best freelancers will be chosen. Employers do not have to pay to advertise jobs, and freelancers do not have to pay to apply for employment. There are also certain premium services that must be paid for. 3. Flexjobs.com. Flexjobs is a paid data entry and microjobs marketplace. Flexjobs is the greatest place to go if you're seeking for remote jobs, part-time employment, or freelance jobs with leading businesses like Dell, Salesforce, Apple, PwC, SAP, and others. As I previously stated, it is a premium site, which is why it is a paid freelancing platform. You can create a profile for free, but you'll need to pay if you want to apply for jobs. Subscription levels for FlexJobs start at $14.95 per month. FlexJobs is superior than other premium freelance sites since they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are dissatisfied with their services, as well as dedicated customer service. That, I believe, is sufficient motivation to join the FlexJobs program. 4. Freelancers. Freelancer is founded in Sydney, but it has offices in Vancouver, London, Buenos Aires, Manila, and Jakarta as well. In 2009, the company was established. It's a global crowdsourced outsourcing marketplace that allows businesses to post assignments for freelancers to bid on and work from home. You can use freelancer.com as an alternative to Upwork, because it's also a free site where you may post your resume and apply for employment. 5. Fiverr.com. Fiverr is becoming the most popular and affordable freelance marketplace. Employers are drawn to it mostly because of its low cost. The majority of services, known as gigs, on Fiverr start at $5. Fiverr can be classified as a microjob site. As a freelancer, you may create an unlimited number of gigs to market your services and earn a good living on Fiverr. You can construct a powerful profile and services based on your abilities. 6. Upwork. Upwork is a well-known and well-respected platform or website for freelancers and freelancing work. On Upwork, you may find a variety of jobs such as data entry, copy-paste jobs, web design, logo design, social media marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, jobs, among others. A significant advantage is that there are both hourly and fixed pay employment available, as well as long-term and short-term positions. You have the option to accept or reject every employment that is offered to you. You can say yes or no.